Please listen and watch this real screwdriving demonstration. Screwdrivers that don't hold up, tools that don't cut it, inefficient systems that damage screws, bits and surfaces. Stop the madness. Choose the magnet driver from now on. The real revolution in the world of DIY. The secret is in the powerful magnetic ring inside a special soft and flexible sleeve, which makes the magnet driver patented system like no other. Place the magnet drive in your screwdriver or power driver bit like so, and be amazed. Once you match the magnet driver to the color-coded power bit, position the screw and stick the magnet driver against the screw's head. Then place the power bit inside the drill until the magnet driver rests in place. Now start screwing and watch carefully. The magnet driver compresses gently to embed the countersunk screw into the wood. Now drive with the magnet driver until the surface is totally in contact with the screw. The screw stays there. Impressive, right? That's the power and efficiency of magnet driver. Now you've got an extra hand. Your work will never seem so easy. And it's so simple that everyone can use it. The magnet driver adapts to all kinds of screws, screwdrivers, and bits for power drivers. And there's a color for each size. Well thought, don't you think? Look how much time and efficiency you gain in this screw driving sequence. You can screw perpendicularly and increase your strength and performance. The binding power is so strong because your tools and the magnet driver form a single body. We even driven into a ceiling with a much heavier power driver. Look at this. This is the efficiency of the magnet driver. Even when it comes to deeply sunken screws, the magnet driver adapts to all situations without damaging surfaces. Even in confined or inaccessible spaces where work used to be impossible, magnet driver is still on your side. Did you get that? You gain strength and power. The images speak for themselves. It's amazing and one of a kind. The possibilities are endless. The magnet driver links instantly. Equip your screwdrivers and power bits with the magnet driver from now on. The magnet driver will lend a hand. It's always the right tool. Projects will be simpler from installation drywall to mechanic work. The magnet driver is essential. The high-powered neodymium magnet will always be on your side. It's fantastic. You'll save time and money. Everybody uses magnet driver for all types of jobs. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, you will benefit from the magnet driver. The new revolution in the world of DIY. From the workshop to the home, in the garage, on the job site, or in the garden. The magnet driver is simply great.
A new take on an old standard. The new Craftsman 25-foot Sidewinder tape measure. Standard measuring tapes stand straight up, causing them to frequently tip over while in use. With the Sidewinder, the patented design rotates the tape to lay flat, making it the most stable tape measure on the market, exclusively from Craftsman. The steel rear tang provides increased stabilization and allows you to make repetitive layout marks based on a given distance, rather than pulling out the length of the tape and doing difficult math. And easy-to-read tape makes reading fractions a breeze. The auto blade lock makes the job easy, automatically locking in place so the tape only retracts when you want it to. And a convenient writable surface helps you keep track of measurements. The new Craftsman 25-foot Sidewinder tape measure.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless flip out, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With flip out, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flip out delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flip out locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard to reach spots, power where you need it. Flip out gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But flip out adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But flip out's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flip out runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, Flip Out still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the Flip Out is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, Flip Out is a tool for you.
The wheel-style marking gauge has earned its place for tight tolerance joinery layout. You just can't beat that crisp cut. But let's face it, there are times in the shop when an accurately drawn pencil mark is even better. Introducing the improved Woodpecker's marking gauge and panel marking gauge, both ingeniously designed with an integrated mechanical pencil. So now you can make either hairline cuts or easily readable pencil marks with dead-on accuracy. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, these upgraded marking gauges are built to last and enable greater control and more precise marking. And by using the optional spacers and second marking wheel, you can lay down dual scribe lines in 16th-inch increments, from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, all in one pass. The large knurled locking knob features a built-in hex wrench to tighten or loosen the wheel cutter and spacers. And you can conveniently keep all of the extra components inside the tool. And now included with the metric gauges are metric scribe wheel spacers, ideal for scribing both mortise shoulders simultaneously when using a Festool domino. The anodized aluminum bar has 2 precision laser-engraved 32nd inch or metric scales, one for the wheel marker and one for the pencil marker. And the bar itself is 3/4 of an inch in diameter, giving you a solid grip on the tool. The new and improved marking gauge and panel marking gauge from Woodpecker's, precision built in the USA for fine woodworkers everywhere.
We're Demos, and we've made the best shovel ever. Other shovels crack, bend, and break. Demos beats them all, literally. Last year, we launched our kicker tool, the Stealth Shovel, on Kickstarter. People loved it, but they all agreed on one thing. They wanted something bigger, badder, and made for everyone. So we listened and gathered our team to make the bestest, toughest, damnedest shovel ever. And we did. Introducing the Alpha Shovel. Mother Nature, meet Daddy. You wanted big? Oh, it's big. Over 20 inches long and 12 inches deep of glorious aircraft-grade aluminum means you can shovel away the Ice Age, or your driveway. It's got serrated teeth to cut ice, and shovel gliders to protect your deck beneath. So when we say it's cutting edge, we mean it. The Alpha Shovel is durable and tough. Rain or shine, dirt or snow, we built it to weather through a lifetime of storms and a storm through any weather. Our collapsible shaft makes it easy to pack, and the built-in strap holders makes it easy to carry. And we added a saw for good luck. Use it to cut anything that might get in the way. Choose between a D handle for better grip or a T handle for better compactability. Best of all, everything in the Alpha Shovel is interchangeable with the rest of the Demos family, allowing you to build a collection of multi-purpose tools for life. Every job, every day, for everyone. The Alpha Shovel. Conditions be damned.